Hey guys, I'm Danny, and today I'm going to be unboxing a pair of Yeezy Slides. If you love sneakers and giveaways, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. We have a giveaway going on for a pair of Air Jordan 1 Travis Scotts, brand new size 13. On December 20th, I will be announcing the winner on my Instagram stories. To enter this giveaway, all you guys need to do is hit that subscribe button down below, hit that post notification bell, and turn on all notifications. Smash that like button and comment a fire emoji or the word fire down below in the comment section. Click the link down below in the description and go to the video that I recently did on my favorite sneaker pickup of 2019, and on that video leave a comment telling me why you want these Travis Scott Jordan 1s. And at the end of your comment, make sure you leave your Instagram username. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you have both, and when you're on my Instagram, send me a DM with screenshots with proof that you did everything to enter the giveaway. Good luck. So last week on Yeezy Supply, we had the release of Yeezy Slides. They're currently still sitting on Yeezy Supply's website, which I'm kind of shocked about. Retail on these was only $55. So for that reason, I'm pretty shocked that they're still sitting. However, they must have made a lot of these slides. We had 3 colorways of the Yeezy Slides: the bone colorway, this colorway, and then the resin colorway. I purchased 2 of them. This pair came in. The other pair still has not come in yet from Yeezy Supply. The Yeezy Slides do come in this slide box. It's the same type of box as the 350 V2, except it just has slide on top. The box itself also has Yeezy Slide, and there is the box label. I did purchase my size 11. Let's open up the box and let's take a look at what we have. So I've not seen these yet at all. I just took them out of the shipping box and hit record on this video. So let's take a look at these slides. I'm very, very excited. They do come with the regular paper. And wow, okay, these are loud. These are definitely out there. And this is the Desert Sand colorway. I also purchased the bone colorway, which is my favorite pair of the 3. I'm waiting for that pair to come in, but right here we do have the Desert Sand colorway, and wow, these are loud. These are definitely a statement when you have them on feet. These things really do pop. Let me take the other one out. Wow, these things are very, very nice. I like these a lot. They also come with this little hang tag that we're used to on Yeezy sneakers. So here they are, guys, the Yeezy Slide in the Desert Sand colorway. I really do like these a lot. They look a lot better in person than they do online, in my opinion. I believe it was Snoop Dogg who said that these look like prison slippers. I mean, I could understand why you would think that. I definitely agree with that statement. However, this is a Yeezy Slide. It does have Kanye's name attached to it. And personally, I like the look of them. I really do. I definitely wanted an out there slide. You know, there are definitely a bunch of slides in the market that are crazy out there. This is definitely one of them, but because there's not much branding on them, you can't really tell who they're made by. They do have the 3 stripes right there where your foot goes, but other than that, you can't even tell that these are Yeezy Slides. Oh wait, yes you can. On the inside, it has Yeezy made in China on the inside, and then your size. That's all it says there on the inside. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get that on camera or not, but it's in there. That's the only branding on this slide. Other than that, they do look like prison slides. I'm not going to lie, I'm not going to cap, they do. But I really do like the look of them, and I'm very excited to try these on. I have not tried them on yet, so I'm going to go ahead and try these on right now, let you guys know how these fit. So I just tried them on, and there's a few things I want to say. First and foremost, getting them on was not easy. It's actually a hassle to put these on. I did go with my true size being an 11, and I probably could have used a 12. 11 will do. 11 will do. I mean, a 12 would probably fit a little bit better. I do have a little bit of a wide foot, nothing too crazy. A little bit of a wide foot, so I feel like maybe a 12 would have helped. When I just put these on, my whole entire foot was covering the whole entire slide. So I definitely probably could have used a 12. It would be a lot easier to get these things on and get them off. They were definitely a little bit difficult to get off as well. But one thing I did like about them was the tight, secure fit. I like that fit for these because a lot of slides that I wear, they feel very loose. And I'm not really crazy about that sometimes. Sometimes I don't want the slides to pop off my feet, slide off my feet. Sometimes I want like a secure fit. So that's how these definitely are, more of a secure fit. I do recommend going up a size if you want to, or going with your true normal size if you want that tighter fit. As far as comfort wise, I mean, I haven't worn them, I just tried them on, but They seem pretty comfortable. They were pretty comfortable. I'm not sure how they compare to maybe like the Boost slides or the other Adidas slides that everyone raves about. I forgot the name of them for a second, but I'm not really sure how they compare to those two. Compared to Jordan slides, I mean, they're right there. I feel like they're pretty comfortable. Jordan slides, Nike slides are really my go-to slide. So these are definitely a little bit more comfortable, I would say, than those. However, I'm not sure, like I said, how they compare to other Adidas slides. I do really like the bottom of the slide. I like the ridges, and I think it'll make it last a little bit longer, because slides, when you wear them a lot, they do break down and grind down very, very easily. I'm hoping that this pair of slides does not do that. I will be wearing these slides casually around the house, go to the grocery store, nothing too crazy. I'm not really going to make it a statement, like a fashion statement. That's not what I personally do with slides. I personally like to just, you know, toss them on, maybe walk my dog with them, you know, things like that, where I don't necessarily need to throw on a sneaker. I'll put on a pair of slides if it's like a quick 1, 2, 3 errand or something. So that's what I'm going to use these for. With that being said, I'm very, very happy to pick up some Yeezy slides. They are still sitting on Yeezy Supply, so if you guys are interested, go ahead, check them out. Retail $55. I mean, that's a really good price point, I think, especially for, you know, the Yeezy name attached to it. It is Kanye West. There is hype behind, you know, the whole Yeezy branding. So for $55, definitely a good purchase. I recommend them, but like I said, go up a size or go true to size if you want that tighter fit. My only gripe with these slides, I would say, is that they're not Velcro. I like Velcro slides because they're adjustable. You can, you know, depending on how you want to wear them, you can wear them tighter or looser. It's Velcro. So I tend to usually go with Velcro slides. These do not have that Velcro, but this rubber, it does stretch a little bit. Nothing too crazy. I wouldn't, you know, sit there and play with it. I think you might break it or something, but definitely put your foot in there, see how you like them. If you have a chance to ever try them on, I do of course recommend trying them on so you can get the right size for you. But other than that, I really do like these slides. I highly recommend them, and for $55 during the holiday season, man, you honestly cannot go wrong. I am very excited for more Yeezy slides in the future. I like the 3 colorways that came out. The bone was my favorite. This pair is the Yeezy Supply Exclusive pair. The resin colorway I wasn't too crazy about. I did like all 3 of them though, and I'm very excited for the future for more Yeezy slides and just more Yeezy sneakers in general. Let me know what you guys think about the Yeezy slides down below in the comment section. Did you pick up a pair? Did you pass on them? Are you gonna go pick up a pair after seeing my video? Leave a comment down below and let me know. I absolutely love hearing from you guys. These slides are definitely not for everybody. You really need to have a certain taste for them, so I can understand people not being a fan of these slides. I am very, very, very happy and very excited to wear some Yeezy slides. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.